Hello, I'm James, and this is SimCity. As my other video didn't go according to plan, I thought I'd make another one. So let's play. We will create another one. We don't want to go to Lightwater Valley this time. Maybe Viridian Woods, 16 cities for great works. Yeah, we'll go there. We will make it a public region. I will name it San Fran San Fran Lego. I don't know. Lego San Fran Lego. I don't know. San Fran Legion. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I'll make it a private. We don't know sandbox. We'll claim the city. I will claim my plot. So the rails go along there. This is the bottom part. So top part is this bit, bottom part. Oh, is this one? No. 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 It's flat. We have water. A bit of air. I like air. I want wind. Nope. 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 Wow. There really no. Oh boy. Oh well, I'll just choose. It's got. We want oil too, so. There we go. Claim. Awesome. Will this be Hohenberg? Hohenberg Shores? Hohenberg Shores? Herding llamas, sending trucks with resources directly to neighbouring cities too. Okay. So, we will check the wind. The wind is going that way. So, yeah. I will have industrial here. With my cities here. And I'll check the oil. That's where the industrial is going to be, so that's convenient. Coal, as we had coal, that's where the industrial is going to be, so that's convenient again. Although there's some around here, but not as much as there. I think it's the darker the better. Yes. Okay, so where's the water? I don't need water as of yet. So air pollution. There is none. Cool. Well, yet. Okay. Over there, I will create this. Yes. Okay. Was this city founded approve? Yes. Did indeed. Then we'll build like little city. We will do it low density to start off with Q. There. they getting smaller? What's it doing? No. No. Oh. That's a pain in the ass. Bulldoze that. Wait, what's that one? What's it doing? Thank you. Right, and I don't know if they actually plotted anything, but nope, I don't think they did. Yes, they did. That one and that one. Then we'll build something for the industrial over there, so you to go all the way across. Let's do that. It's not that close. It's cool. Yes, across. It's half it. Oh god, is that half? It is now. No, it's not. Take off the guides. Choose half. Go across. Yeah, I think it is. We need water. Oh yeah. Stick it here. 70, 95, 670, 662, 675. Stick it right there. I don't know what that said, but okay. We'll need power, so wind blowing this way. 10. Maybe if it goes up there, and it comes along here, so power. Yes, I need to change those roads. Not that far up, I don't think. So there. Bring it across. Need to turn my guides back on. There. With power. 10. It's still 10. Never mind, I'll just put it there anyway. Then we wait. I will buff it up one. Take that down. Bring on the power. Need houses. Go on, quick time. Yes, you're complaining about the power. The water is delicious. Steady full of water here, no problems. Good. Now we're in the increase. We needed this part industrial with somewhere over here to put the waste. So there with the waste there, and maybe the actually put the sewage thing down now, just so nobody complains about that. Awesome. Bring all your poop there. What is that? Hey, mayor, if you have a town hall, with a town hall you can access the services like fire disposal, health and police. I'll do it. And I'll put it right. Oh, better still, I will make a separate part for you. Wait a minute. That's next to the wind. Doing that, we'll do it separate. There. We don't need that much. I'll just put you down. So what is it? We need this. This. Whoa. Grow this. Grow. Tell you what, I'll put it right next to there. Petition to build a coal mine. No thank you. Congratulations, Maya, you've worked hard. It's paid off. Now it's time. Okay. So it's a shore. So it's butter, bean, shores. Butter, bean, shores. Name it. Cool. What do you need? Stop the blackouts. Say what? We need more power already. Wow. Right. Let's make some more residential. But first, we'll let the town build. No, I'll let the residential. Wind is going to go along here. Make this big. Yeah, I'll do that. I don't know if I should do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Wind to do that. Crap. Never mind. Build from here. Where's this oil again? So oil. It's right here, so I'm going to build an oil thing here. Dirt. No, not dirt. There, maybe a bit more oil. Awesome. Okay. Get rid of that. Close you. Just look at the town. So here I'm going to be sticking these wind turbines, just like plot around here. That's our dedicated position. Over here we have loads of residential territory, which is awesome. I thought they didn't pollute. We want a place to ship a freight. Okay, I'll get you a place. What do you want? What? There aren't enough blue collar workers right now. Oh, don't you just know it? Okay. I'm sorry. There we go. Hopefully they will be up and running. Detail. Unemployed, none. Good. Total jobs 550. Unfilled jobs 300. Okay. Maybe it will get better as we go along. Tourists, no. Industrial freight. Sorry about that. Just had to. Oh dear, more power. How do we need more power? Okay. This will be the power they want. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so we'll build more residents next episode, and hopefully we will start with the iron. Not iron, sorry, oil. Okay. See you next time.